Did you know that most snowblower injuries happen after the machine is turned off? One small mistake can cause a serious accident, and we're here to make sure that never happens. Welcome to WholeToolBox, your trusted destination for safe and smart tool use. Before you start your snowblower, check the entire area you will be clearing. Look for rocks, branches, cables, or toys that could clog the machine or cause dangerous kickback. Make sure all guards and shields are locked and secure. Keep children and pets indoors, and always pay attention to where the chute is pointing. Never aim it toward people, windows, cars, or homes. Clogged chutes are one of the biggest safety risks. Even when the engine is off, the augers can store hidden rotational energy. They can snap forward the moment a blockage is released, causing severe injuries. If your snowblower clogs, turn it off completely, remove the key, wait for all moving parts to stop, and use a clean-out tool, a broom handle, or a shovel. Never use your hands. Practice safe fueling. Never add gasoline to a running or hot engine, and keep fuel containers away from children. Always use your snowblower outdoors to avoid carbon monoxide buildup. When clearing deep or heavy snow, take slow and steady passes and maintain a firm grip on the handles. After you are finished, turn off the machine, remove the key, clear off any loose snow, and store it in a dry and ventilated place. Snowblowers make winter easier, but only when they are used with awareness and respect. For more safety tips, quality tools, and reliable replacement parts, visit WholeToolBox.com. Don't forget to follow us on social media. Thank you for watching.